Hey Sharks, I want to share with you all some profit taking and some trades that I did today. As you can see on my screen, this is Bloom Energy. This is a stock that I am covering, and I just recently took some profits because I see it has reached its resistance levels between the 150s and the 160s. So as you guys can see on my screen, you can see the resistance at a 166 range, 163. We have supports around 137. So support under 140 and then resistance in the 150 to 160 range. Right? Obviously you don't have to time it perfectly to the resistance level, but just get an idea where is the resistance level so that you can take profits. And then the best time to buy a leap, all right, is when the stock has dipped below 140, so near the support level. So I sold my leap today for a profit about 1100. So you can see here, I already did it. So this is a little bit like I would say 20 minutes ago, but next time I'll catch it live. But you can see here, BE filled, sell to close, one contract for 71.5. So that's $7,015. I believe my cost base was around 5,700. So I profit about pretty good, 1,300 or so. So that was a good. And then I'm just going to wait till BE reaches below the 140 zone. So if it gets near the support level, I have my alert set under 140. Then I can buy another leap and then run this process over again. Uh, yeah, and that's pretty much it. Actually, I could have kept the leap open if I wanted to and just kept doing poor man's cover call and collecting premiums on that. So what I could have done is if I didn't sell to close this and I kept my leap open, because you can see the leap expires 115 2027, I can then just sell cover calls on this leap. I'm pretty sure the premium on this is pretty nice, so let's take a look at it. I'm just using Robinhood for to be quicker. So I have two portfolios. And let's just say if I were to sell a cover call, poor man's cover call, yeah, premiums is really solid. I could have done just very modestly, conservatively, a 175 cover call, poor man's cover call for $100 on the 20th, which is 2 days from now. So it's really good. So opportunity presents itself. I will then come back in BE and buy more leaps under 140s, under the 140 levels near the support level here. Yeah, so I did that, and then I also ran a spread on GLW. So there's another position that I'm very bullish on, another stock, GLW. How do we open this? As you can see here, it's a put credit spread. So my let's go to the positions because it's not opening. And put credit spread is over here. GLW, we have a 130 and 123 strike. So short 130, long 123. Put credit spread. I did 5 contracts. It's paying out about, so 416 minus 53. It's the high 400, like the high 380, 380, 390 and change around there for 2 days. So about 2 days, almost 400 bucks. That's pretty nice. And I really like GLW because it's just trading very predictably. It's holding solid with all the volatility in the market. It is holding really, really well for this stock. If you look at the 1 month, let's just zoom in. Actually, this thing's blocking my. Okay, let's go to the chart. Yeah, now we should be able to see more clearly. And you can see here, upward trend, right? It's an upward trajectory and then sideways action. So it's a very safe play to run put credit spreads. When you're running vertical spreads, you have to do all your due diligence and really be confident about how the stock is moving. So in this case, I'm very confident about GLW, and that's why I ran this play, the put credit spread. And it's a conservative play. About, let me see, what is the payout per contract? It is, yeah, about $70 per contract. Okay, for 2 days, and I did five. And next week I can definitely do more on GLW as long as I have extra capital, or as I'm taking profits. You can see GLW, my leaps are doing phenomenal. You can see here almost 6,500 here. That's one leap. There's another leap here for 1,600. So around $8,000 in both leaps. And then I have a poor man's cover call here. And then I did the put credit spread today. So it's looking good. And then AMKR, just to update you guys, AMKR leap. I have 3 contracts. There's plus 1,000. AMKR is a slow mover, but it's okay as long as it's profiting. Then I'm okay with that. We have plenty of patience. And then I did a poor man's cover call at a 60 strike, and it's doing well as well. It's expiring, yeah, 2 days from now. So that's looking good. I may just leave AMKR uncovered next week. So that way I can just take profits on the leap whenever I want to. I have I think level 3 on Schwab, so I can actually take profits on my leap and leave my poor man's cover call naked. That's a little bit more advanced. Either way, I just want to share that for those that are more advanced in options. Yeah, Hood is my biggest pain in the ass. Hood has taken a beating for no apparent reason. More than likely, it's crypto. My cost basis is about 107. At one point, this was a really good cost, but then now that something the Hood just took a beating, it's trading at 76. So it's a slow process. I'm selling cover calls aggressively. You can see here there's a cover call, 6 contracts because I have 600 shares at an 80 strike to just collect premium and help me offset this unrealized loss here. Until I could get, until I get to the point where I'm selling Hood cover call at my cost 107, then that means I'm pretty much free rolling. Okay, but at this point I can only do below my cost basis to collect premium, monitor it, and then rolling it out until I get to that 107 and beyond, and then I'm good to go. And my Archer plays are doing good here. I'm very bullish on Archer. You can see I have 1,000 shares. My cost is 743. Dollar cost average down, and it's only minus 365, but they have earnings coming up March 2nd. And I have a leap on Archer when it was below 650. Took advantage of that. Was able to buy a $5 leap in the money, expiring January. You can see here 10 contracts. This is plus 318. So it's like breaking even here, right? But there's a lot more upside on Archer. It's a great company. I think $1.6 billion in cash and reserves. And they're going to report their first revenue in March. All right, so let me share with you guys what I do. Here is my group, and you can see here, this is the group chat. I use WhatsApp. It's loading right now. But either way, this is the group. You can see this is where we share information around the market. We help each other out and make sure that we stay up to date with what's going on. Yeah, so if you are new to the market or you want to not do this on your own and do it alone, you want to connect with other people, you want to get some more guidance, more feedback, and other perspectives, be more than happy to help you. You can join my community. I also provide one-on-one coaching. All right, and yeah, like usual, if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the second half of the video. You'll see me in action and me coaching one of my sharks, and this way you can see how I work. And of course, in the description, in the comment section, you can book a time with me. And yeah, you'll personally speak with me, and I'll share with you all the details about how I work. Other than that, wish you a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next one. You want to exit at 60 or 65, okay? Just keep that in mind. I have a really good hunch that the earnings will do really well. So
yeah,
but after earnings, if it does really well, there will be profit taking.
yep,
If it does well, people are gonna collect the bag. They're not gonna sit and wait. They're gonna collect the bag. So just
right,
be aware of that. So you want to decide to yourself. Um, Actually, what you can do is let this 130 expire, and then the week of earnings, don't do cover calls,
yeah, yep,
and just be because then you can exit whenever you want. Because if
right,
you do a cover call, you have to wait till expiration date,
yep,
right?
right,
So
right,
I will just leave it uncovered, and then let it run up, and then go from there. Okay.
yep,
And don't but keep me in the loop around that.
will do.
I'm in the same camp, so yeah. Okay. Wolf, actually, Wolf closed above 1350 on Friday. I don't think you saw
Yeah,
my message.
it
So
did. Yeah,
either way, you would have probably rolled it anyways to make more premium, like you did
yep,
just today.
yep,
So You did. I think I don't know what Wolf is trading at. We can open that and take a look. No, what's the stock price
It's 1390
for 1390?
right here.
Yeah, so this trade is yeah, good. So we'll just leave that alone. That's just like if you did another and you did an in the money put, so or
Yeah,
close to the money, so that's a lot of premium there. So it's fine. We'll leave that, let that be.
right.
And let's go back to the main screen. Yes. Pony still the same. Oh yeah, this is when we want to run cover calls. We waited for Monday. So let's run the cover call. Poor man's cover call on Pony. We do 5 contracts.
How are you feeling with your wisdom teeth and
Slept a
whatnot?
lot. I
Yeah,
just sleep a lot. Like your body needs, your body's working on the tissue repair,
yep,
the bone repair. It's just it's just working overtime. That's why they tell you no exercise, none of that because your body's is in this healing mode. So I
right.
slept 11 hours yesterday. I woke up at 9. I went to sleep at 9. Woke up
Yeah,
around woke up at 8. I'm like, wow. Like what
yeah,
the heck? Just and it's just been like this for a couple of days. First couple of days couldn't sleep because it was so much. It was the pain. There was still some pain there, but then
yeah,
I'm at a point where there's no. I don't need painkillers anymore. So then
yeah,
I end up sleeping longer, and the
right.
body's just preparing. And when you take your wisdom teeth out at an older age, they cut into the bone, your
Yeah,
jawbone. So my recovery now is the tissue is pretty much covered most of the bone, but then the bone itself that takes more time to recover.
yeah, yeah.
So I'm planning to get back into exercise today, very light,
Right on.
uh, and I'm super excited for that because man, it's just been a week no exercise. I just can't function that way.
Yeah,
Um, but yeah, we'll see how that goes, and then the whole process for the bone is about 1 to 3 months. So I can expect
wow.
1 to 3 months for the jawbone to the bone to regrow.
Yeah.
So
So you can't take any punches to the face right now
no, cannot,
in boxing?
cannot. Yeah, no sparring, no
Yeah,
sparring at all. That's even sadder. Can't
yeah,
spar. Uh, yeah. So more shadow boxing.
yeah,
Yeah. So I do some shadow boxing, but
yep,
yeah, it is what it is. I would say advice to you. Anything related to your mouth, if you have like a cavity, toothache, bubble, just go see a dentist because if you just let that slide and it
yeah,
gets bad and there's an infection, it's you could die. Like
yeah, yeah,
people die from infections. Infection to the brain, the infection spreads and it goes to your brain, or it spreads goes to your leg and you amputate your leg. It's weird stuff going on.
yeah.
Hmm.
There's so my stepson, his grandparents own 3 gyms in California, very health conscious. They have been or have opened my perspective to getting getting blood, basically a blood panel once a quarter, as far as
Hmm.
or at bare minimum twice a year. Um, and then to give see a dermatologist, give or get a blood panel, and then get a stool sample as Sario has done. And they said you'll catch, for the most part, 90% of anything that's going on in your body
Hmm.
uh previously. So I haven't really carried that out, but again, it seemed like pretty good advice, so I'd pass it on.
Yeah. Thank you for that. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good. Just eat healthy, move your body, and take care of your teeth. Like
Yeah.
that's it. Like your teeth, because your teeth can if something happens here, it spreads all over your body really
Oh
fast.
yeah. Yeah.
So yeah. Um, okay, let's go to the call. Let's do 1650. Yeah, that's what I did. 5 contracts there. So we do have to monitor this on Friday because we don't want to get lose the leap at 32. Yeah, 32 is right. Let's go with that. Let's see. And we'll go back to that. Just see if it. We'll go to the next position.
Oh, still close it?
I think it's still open, right? Did you close it already?
Yeah, I went to go replace the
Oh,
order.
okay. Okay, and then yeah,
32
just
again?
yeah, let's try it. Just leave it. Sometimes it just let it sit there and it will. Yeah, let's just go to the next
Okay.
position.
So we'll
Let
go
it and we'll
Sheffield.
go. Yeah, let's check the.
DJP.
That's the next one. Okay.
Yeah,
There's
so
no.
we have
Okay.
three
Do a 1450 poor man's cover call. Let's do three there. And do like you probably get away with 18. Yeah, there you go.